I've really been checking out the Whipples and the ProChargers, and I'm trying to decide what route I want to go with my car. Full bolt on and just go NA, or do I just want to skip the hassle of putting on all those parts and everything and just go ahead and go FI and say the hell with it, man. The hell with it, man. Ooh, I know y'all see it, man. We ain't playing games all 2020. We applying pressure. What's good, YouTube? I'm so juiced about today. Y'all saw the title, y'all saw the thumbnail. Let's get it, baby. I bought the motherfucking ProCharger for my car, man. This is like one of those days where, like, I don't know about you guys, but since I've been like a little kid, man, a dream of mine was to have a boosted V8, and it's my motherfucking time. Let's get it, man. So I ended up picking up the ProCharger 50 state legal kit because I'm in California. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna break that whole thing down today. But before I get to that, I got a story for you guys because, man, ProCharger advertised something on their website. Oh, my camera. So ProCharger advertised I was eligible for the upgraded Supercharger, and then I couldn't get it. So like I was saying, when I got this ProCharger, I paid for the upgraded P1X kit. Now what that does is it allows a little bit better flow, and it also has cooler air temperatures. I guess the way that it compresses the air, it's a little bit cooler. We're out at the shop, by the way, you guys, if you didn't know. There's the ProCharger right there. Had to grab my camera gear. Ended up getting an email from the company I purchased the Supercharger from, and they told me that that upgrade was no longer available. I was like, what? I've seen it for sale everywhere. Nobody said that. So I reached out to ProCharger directly. So I guess because the 50 state legal kit utilizes the factory air box still, the P1X is a little bit larger, so the inlet air tube, I believe they said, doesn't fit onto the air box correctly. It sticks out a little bit too far, I guess. So I just had to downgrade back to what the normal one is, the P1 SC whatever, I don't remember what the name is, and I got that with the stage 2 intercooler. Let's get to this unboxing. I'm gonna go over everything with you guys. Let's get it. You can't have no Mustang in the background. We don't have Mustangs on this channel. We Camaros only. Nah, this is my little cousin's Mustang right here. My family's been working on it, trying to get it going for him. We can do Corsa in the background though. What you think, we stack the ProCharger box there next? Or do I toss them away because I'm low-key a hoarder? Should be a good table. What y'all think? So here it is, the ProCharger. I can't freaking wait. Now, if you guys don't know what a ProCharger is, it's basically a combination of a turbocharger and a supercharger. I'm sure someone will get real technical down in the comments down below, but it's considered a centrifugal supercharger. So it works similar to a turbocharger, except for it does not run off of exhaust. It runs off of the crank. So that's why it's a supercharger, because technically it's constantly charging. There's a little bit of difference between these kind and a root supercharger. I'll go over that at the end of the video. It's basically all based on how they deliver the power. Now, I have never owned a supercharged car before in my life. I've never bought a supercharger, but this has always been a dream of mine, man. My boy Jay'll know when we were little kids, we used to sit around just talking about one day how we'd be able to do this and what we do to our cars. In this video, I'll go over everything the kit comes with. I'll go over what my plans are for the car. Man, oh man. I'm too juiced right now, you guys. Looks like it comes with a K&N air filter. I didn't even know that. High flow K&N air filter, definitely use that. Oh, the intercooled system dropping. Now, I haven't mentioned it yet, but I got the upgraded intercooler. So what that will allow is for the air to get much cooler. It'll prevent a lot more overheating. How y'all gonna send me an open box? Maybe they snuck in an upgraded one. Got the K&N sticker. Here's the high flow K&N filter. Just a regular drop-in filter, but it'll be nice to have this. It'll be high flow. I don't know if this is the kind that, I doubt it is. I doubt it's the kind where you've got to oil them and all of that. It says it is washable though. Maybe it is one of those. Cool, I'll take that. Didn't even expect this to come. I assumed I'd just still run the regular filter. Set my sticker to the side. Y'all know I love putting stickers on my toolbox. This is an extra dipstick gasket supplied in case you lose the factory original. I guess that's the dipstick there, I'm not exactly sure. The way the ProCharger systems are set up, they have oil inside of the Supercharger. So I know you've got to change the oil after like, I don't know, 250, 500 miles, something like that. And then going forward, you change it on your regular oil change interval. What's this? Air inlet bag. Now I'm in California, you guys, so this may not be as important to you, but this is the one right here, that carb 50 state legal sticker. I need that. They popping hoods like crazy in California. I need this. I love the way everything is packaged. It's all packaged individually, real nice. So far, it looks like each individual package has their own assembly instructions, which is nice. Man, I feel like a kid on Christmas right now, you guys. Got the ProCharger belt. Now on the 50 state legal kit, they have a 6-rib belt. I think you can upgrade to a 8-rib belt. I don't know, I forget for sure on ProCharger if they go up to 10 or not, but this is a 6-rib. It still should be all good for the type of power I'm pushing. This is just an air duct, probably to scoop more air somewhere or to allow more air in, something like that. Got some connector tubes here. My guess, this is where it says was surge, so this is probably gonna connect to the ProFlow. I don't know, we'll see. We'll talk about that later. More tubing. I'm not gonna keep going over the tubing. I mean, tubing's tubing, you guys. Now this is something that doesn't come on the regular kit that I went ahead and upgraded to. This is the upgraded Stage 2 intercooler. So what this is gonna allow is a lot cooler charge air temps, which is the air coming in. This will keep things running much, much cooler. This will also allow you to go up in horsepower much easier without having any issues. Let's see what else we got. We got presents on presents on presents, bruh. Hose lines, oil drain kit. What is this? RTD unit. Yes. See? I thought, man. I was reading on the packing list on the front of the box because I've been sitting on this box for a couple days. If you guys follow my Instagram, go check me out on Instagram, ZT Zooming, keeping it booming on the gram too, baby. I think I got an HP Tuners kit. So if you guys haven't went to look at these to order stuff, the 2016s, it says that they send you a tuner with your ProCharger, but for 2017 plus, you have to take your ECM off, send it over to them, they unlock it, and then send it back to you with the tune. But I gotta open this up. This is looking like a brand new HP Tuners, and this comes with 4 credits. Now, what is a RTD unit exactly? I'm not too sure. I gotta look into that. Hopefully this isn't like a limited HP Tuners, because if it is, I still got the other HP Tuners, which you guys have saw. Shout out the ProCharger. See, when I told you guys, I was gonna tune my car, but I'm waiting on something. So hyped about this right here. Something simple, but hey, $200 is $200, y'all. I need my money, especially after this mud. Man, this is the thing that I've been teasing you guys forever about. I'm sorry I teased you for so damn long, but it's just like my exhaust. When I teased you guys with that, I came through. Everything I said I'm gonna do on this channel, I've come through. I'm telling you guys, maybe it took me a little bit longer, but your boy always comes through. More tubes. You guys don't need to see that. Some type of a bracket here. Camaro airbox bottom assembly. more tubing. I ended up not getting the blow-off valve. I got their bypass valve. I think they call it a Pro Flow or something like that. We'll see how it works out. If I want to upgrade later on, I can upgrade later on. I'm sure some of you will be like, oh, you should have just got it. But hey, it's my first time. I'm learning. If I'd have upgraded it when I bought this whole kit initially, or if I upgrade it later on, it's the same exact price. So might as well just get this one, upgrade it later on, and pay the same price. It don't matter. Okay, ProCharger. This is too dope. Blown and intercooled. You know I'm putting that on. Look at this plate, you guys. I got it. It's all faded. It's still black at the top, and then as you go down, it just faded from the sun. Good looking ProCharger. You know just what your boy needs, man. Man, y'all making my day on Christmas, man. Y'all is too nice. I appreciate you so much, so much. No, I'm just fooling you guys, but I'm just hella happy right now. I'm juiced. It's crazy. I've told y'all a little bit about the story before, about betting on myself, quitting my job like a little bit over a year ago now, going back to school, and it's crazy. 2020 been a terrible year for a lot of people, and I feel for a lot of people, and I've gone through the lows with everybody during this year, trust me, but I've also had a lot of ups too that I gotta be very grateful for. Okay, we only got 1 or 2 more packages before we get to the crown jewel. Okay, so some of the options you have when you're buying your ProCharger kit, you can choose to get it in the base, like satin, just kind of it looks like a brushed stainless steel is what it looks like. So that's the basic model. That's what your bracket comes in. That's what your ProCharger looks like. You can get the upgraded kit and you can get it painted black, or you can get it polished. I think they cost the same price no matter which one you decide to do. But I mean, this 2020 polished, chrome, it ain't chrome, but a polished stainless steel, that's played out, man. It is 2020. You know I had to go black. Plus, I think it just looks better underneath the hood. Everything underneath the hood is black already. So, you know, why would I get chrome or something like that? It doesn't even fit in with what the look is in here already. The way this ProCharger is gonna sit right in here. I'll explain that to you guys a little bit more, but we still got more to unbox. So back to what I was saying before I got way carried away. I did not get the black bracket, and the reason being is because, especially the way the bracket is set up on the 50 state legal kit, you almost can't even see it because the Supercharger sits in front. So I only got my Supercharger powder coated black because I just didn't think it was necessary with the bracket. So for the 50 state legal kit, this bracket is going to be almost completely covered. Getting it black was not worth, it's like $300 or something just to get this thing painted black. No thank you. I gotta show you guys this, man. Check it out. Ooh, look at the hardware. Let's go. Let's get this baby out, man. I can't even wait no more. Just like a turbocharger from the front. I can't even believe I'm holding this in my hand. Like, I seriously have a ProCharger. This is insane, you guys. I can't even believe this. Man, oh man. I don't even know what to do. Order like it's my little baby rocket to sleep. I'm acting a damn fool, but yeah, here it is, you guys. Here's what the bag looks like. Hey, damn, this is crazy. So there it is, you guys. Now there is nothing different about this ProCharger versus the other P1SCs. The only thing that's different on the 50 state legal kit is the way that the mounting bracket is on there. Yes, it does pull air through the factory air box instead of ProCharger's regular little air filter that they have that goes right on the end of the ProCharger. Does it affect flow? I highly doubt it. As I'm sure most of you know, the cold air intake systems, or just air intake systems, flow really well on newer cars. So that's why most cold air intakes actually don't even work that well. So like I was saying, the ProCharger kit is going to mount right in here. It mounts right up to the block itself. The bracket will attach to the block, and then the ProCharger sits right in here and still connects to this factory air box. That's how they allow it to be the 50 state legal, because as I'm sure most of you know, California is strict as hell when it comes to this kind of stuff. So I don't really have any power power loss because of going this way. The only thing I really miss out on is maybe upgrading to the super big ProChargers, but the kind of power that I'm pushing my final end goals is just fine. I mean, I'm just standing here like, I can't believe this is all me right here, you guys. This is just crazy. Humbling. It's not even installed yet. Like, man, this is a crazy ass day, but I'm juiced.